They gon' love me for my ambition.
You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite get.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Vishamite. So today is going to be all about glasses. If you're unfamiliar with me and my channel, I do wear glasses. Just usually on camera I can actually see, but once I gotta go drive, that's when I can't see. I'm actually going to be talking about glasses from a brand called Zinff. Zinff has very affordable, high quality and trendy glasses, and I don't know about you, but I really like to get my glasses online just because it's easier, affordable and more convenient. Send over your prescription, you pick your frames and you get them. Shipping is super quick, everything is super simple, easy, there's nothing complicated about this at all, and then you get to have trendy, super cute glasses. What more can you ask for? So I ordered 2 glasses. They actually come like this, which is super sleek packaging, individual packaging as well. It looks, when you open the packaging, it has your eyewear we prepare, so it kind of tells you maintenance instructions, and it actually has a coupon code in here, but I also have a coupon code for you guys, so make sure you look in the description bar for that coupon code, and they have tons of sales all the time, so the up-to-date information will be down in the description bar, so make sure you check that out. It comes with a carrying case, which you can never have too many of these at all. And then it comes with a cleansing cloth. I lose these all the time, so I'm super grateful that it came in my glasses. This first one is called Sharla, which is square burgundy glasses. And the description says, want a cup of wine and feel a little tipsy? The semi-transparent burgundy eyeglasses are right for you. The keyhole nose bridge design and lightweight TR construction provide you with comfort all day long. It would be a smart choice for minimalists. So right off the bat, I feel super comfortable in these. Usually glasses are really irritating around my nose. The prescription's on point. Like I said, I don't need it now, but I could tell everything is more super clear. I can read things across the room. These look really cute. They fit my face awesome. The size of these frames are a medium, just for a reference. I really like them, and they definitely feel lightweight, which is what they said. I can barely feel them on my face. I really don't like really heavy glasses. The next pair of glasses, which is in the style Semele, and again it comes in the carrying case, and you have your cloth. So each pair of glasses that you get do come with their own cloth, so they're not being stingy or anything. And this is what these are looking like. Ooh, the side of them are like a matte black while the glasses are shiny. Wow, I love that. So let's talk about this. So Semele square black glasses is also in the frame size medium. The classic shape of Semele is perfectly complemented by the matte finish. The lightweight TR construction of this frame means it's extra comfortable and great for all day wearing. The large lenses add a touch of boldness to this frame that skillfully walk the line between subtle and statement making. They are available in pink and black colors. So again, these frames are super comfortable. I love that it has a matte black here while it's like shiny and bold, exactly what the description said. Here in the front, lightweight, it's not irritating me at all. Usually glasses also irritate my ear area, but it's not. I'm actually really enjoying this. I don't know which one I want to have on. I think I'm going to be switching back and forth in this video because I clearly love both of them. So on Zinff, they have frames and lenses, prescription and non-prescription. They have sunglasses as well, blue light blocking glasses, and driving glasses, which is what I usually use my glasses for. And they have prints, they have cat eye designs, they have tons of different frames. I just chose these ones because I know I'm a little bit more simple when it comes to my glasses. But if you're more bold and unlike me, then they definitely have everything for everyone. They also have something for women and men, so don't think you'll be left out at all. I just want to reiterate, so this one is Sharla and Burgundy, and I can't pick a favorite because they're definitely different, but they both feel very high-end. They feel very lightweight. I'm loving the shape as it complements my face. Sorry, I keep looking at the mirror because I look good. So the quality feels really good. The color is really pretty too. Back to the black one. I'm also loving the shape. It's square, but then like has a roundness to it, so it's not exactly square, so I like the difference of the shape. It's a slight detail that you probably wouldn't really recognize. Again, I love the matte black on this side, it just gives it such a regal look, like just a different type of look. The quality feels amazing. It feels high-end, even though these are very affordable glasses. Go ahead and check this out. Like I said, I have the coupons for you guys, so make sure you check the description bar. Check out their Instagram as well, and get yourself a pair of glasses. You should always have a different pair of glasses, I say, for each day. Hey, why not? So go ahead and splurge. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.